Hi everyone, it's Dr. Sue Cornbluth. Welcome back to my channel. This is where you get all the tips and tools that you need to begin reconnecting with your estranged or alienated children. If you like what you hear here, hit that subscribe button so you can get all my tips and tools sent right to you. Today we're going to talk about when are you ready to reach out to your child to attempt reconnection. And it is not when you feel panicked or broken or are in tremendous anxiety. That will not help you with reconnection. But these top 10 tips will. So let's begin with number one. When you have sought out and received professional help to process through your own trauma about the disconnection from your child. That is an essential point here. Number two, when you understand the reason for the disconnection, which you can figure out with the help of a professional in this niche. Number three, when you realize that this is a marathon, not a sprint, as you're trying to reconnect with your child, meaning when you do not have expectations that you reaching out is going to bring immediate reconnection. Number four, when you are in a place where your child's emotions are more important than your own. Number five, when you have eliminated your anger towards your child, if you are carrying that with you every single day. Number six, when you can acknowledge your role in the separation without becoming defensive. Number seven, when you can prioritize your child's perspective and feelings over your own need to justify yourself. Number eight, when you realize that rejection is a part of this journey, but you do not give up. Number nine, when you can respect your child's boundaries and uphold them. And number 10, when you can uphold the top nine ways of reconnecting in a consistent basis and your mindset is set to this.